Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Gold God. Gold God for the Dutty money Riddim by Rvssian. You know, Rvssian, big up yourself. And I want to name client Convo 2. And our next side is a Rvssian Chap. So the boss, so Chap Rvssian, another one. Rvssian, you get Chap? Alright, let's see if we get Chap. Let's see that one I go. Gold God. Dutty money Riddim, client Convo 2. Let's go.
But yo, come let them lead your hot father. How often name this? Rvssian? Me, but yo, hold on there.
Hello.
Just Chap Rvssian. Yeah, hear me?
Concussion.
Hello, Rvssian, I gotta call you back. You should receive the price today, but I'ma tell you what. First, did you get the loan?
Yeah.
Need you to make a stop. Head over to Walmart to get a couple of money back.
Look, Rvssian, I get trouble, Rvssian. Yo, Rvssian, you have call now. You have call for the you know for the man them bang a phone, Rvssian. Fucking hell. Creativity, bro. Gold God, big up yourself, bro.
Rvssian?
Gold God, big up yourself, man. Creativity, bro. Gold God is back on the set.
Hello.
That moon, big up.
Yeah, hear me?
Chop him. Yeah.
Hello, Rvssian, I gotta call you back.
Yeah.
You should receive the price today, but I'ma tell you what. First.
Hello, Rvssian, I gotta call you back.
Hello, Rvssian, I gotta call you back.
Yeah.
You should receive the price today, but I'ma tell you what. First, did you get the loan?
Yeah.
Need you to make a stop. Head over to Walmart to get a couple of money back. You got a credit card,
Yeah.
you gotta draw the cash. Here is the road number. Head over to the bank. So yo, when I send it, you sure me I go get it back. I'm sure you're gonna get a heart attack. Yeah, me.
Yo, you sure already? When me send it, me I gonna get it back. I'm sure you're gonna get a heart attack. Boom, class! Yo, this man. Yo, me love the concept, dog.
How often name it?
Me love the concept, cause obviously a Rvssian Riddim, man. They must say Rvssian have to authorize this and that. Boss, I tell you, say I chop this bumbo cloth here. Yo, this bad dog, me like this. Gold God, big up your fucking say. Rvssian, respect for being a part of this as well, bro.
But yo, come let them lead your heart.
Yo, this bad dog.
How often name this? Rvssian?
Yeah. Chop him.
Yo, hold on there.
Hello.
Just Chap Rvssian. Yeah, hear me? Yo, hold on there. Hello, Rvssian, I gotta call you back. You should receive the price today, but I'ma tell you what. First, did you get the loan?
Yeah.
Need you to make a stop. Head over to Walmart to get a couple of money back. You got a credit card,
Yeah.
you gotta draw the cash. Here is the road number. Head over to the bank. So yo, when I send it, you sure me I go get it back. I'm sure you're gonna get a heart attack. Yeah, me must Chap Rvssian, they playing me I go for. Chain me I go for, you no hear me I stutter. When you hear me I utter. Tell them get up and go back. And me make them sell them house like duckers. Me a go and Chap Rvssian team.
But I say make him sell them most like duck.
Go for chain me a go for, you no hear me a stutter. When you hear me a utter. Tell them get up and go back. And me make them sell them house like duckers. Me a go and Chap Rvssian team a concussion. Tell him.
Me I go and drop Rvssian and give him a concussion. Obviously, Rvssian had concussion, yo.
Make them sell them house like duckers. Me a go and Chap Rvssian team a concussion. Tell him fi heart or rise 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Send him chain melt it like butter. Bang a them hope ya rich no cap.
Once I sell him chain and melt it like butter. Yo, the boss shot the whole of Rvssian money, then him have to end up sending all him chain, make him melt it. Yo, Chopper, you're not joking at that.
Send him chain melt it like butter.
Yeah.
Bang a them hope ya rich no cap. You got a Porsche you can sell. Go ahead and send the money to myself. You got a couple friends.
Yo, all heap of them.
Could you transfer the call now to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 cartel?
Bombo class! Yo!
Tell them get up and go back. And me make them sell them house like duckers.
Yo.
One Chap Rvssian team a concussion. Tell him fi heart or rise 𝐑𝐂𝐶𝐓. Send him chain melt it like butter. Bang a them hope ya rich no cap. You got a Porsche you can sell. Go ahead and send the money to myself. You got a couple friends.
Yo, all heap of them.
Could you transfer the call now to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 cartel?
Bombo class. So the man Chap Rvssian. I asked Rvssian if him have no more friend. The man say, you all heap of them. No, Could you transfer the call now to Vibes Cartel? Vibes Cartel is about to touch that. What Cartel has said?
You got a couple friends? Yo, all heap of them. Could you transfer the call now to Vibes Cartel? Just get Chap now. Grab them card and broke them half pound. Hot now. Richer than Bob now. You know say you a rapper get rap now.
It would be very, very, very iconic if Cartel could have said, yo, hello, I'm here one Chap. I think I rush on this.
Hot no, richer than Bob no. You know say you a rapper get rap no. Mad no, brick them thick new bank no. Shell long your card pan the phone you the pan hole man cold. Then next make you paper load. Heavy link one code. Yeah me must shop rush and the plane me a go for. Chain me a go for you no hear me a stutter. When you hear me a utter. Tell them get up and go bang. And me make them sell them house like duckans. Yeah, one Chap Russian, team a can crushan. Tell him fi hard to rise Wisconsin. Send him chain melted.
Oh, me a Chap Russian tell him authorize Wisconsin.
Tell them get up and go bang. And me make them sell them house like duckans. Yeah, one Chap Russian, team a can crushan. Tell him fi hard to rise Wisconsin. Send him chain melted like butter. Bang a them hope ya, rich no Nokia. You got a studio that you own. Yes. You gotta sell it. You gotta get a loan. Take out a second mortgage. Put it on your home. Your uncle is rich. Put him on the phone. I'ma chop them hard till it don't stop flow. Me the most wanted in a mocha phone. I'ma touch them gal, them a soak and float. On the line me a talk till my vocal low. I'ma dwell in high flat with the wobby and ghost. And I fly them a count the door knob more. Me a chop till the money get close and close. This grey hole and them make me answer my phone. Chap rush and the plane me a go for. Chain me a go for. You no hear me a stutter. When you hear me a utter. Tell them get up and go back. And me make them sell them house like duckans. Yeah, one Chap Russian, team a can crushan. Tell him fi hard to rise Wisconsin. Send him chain melted like butter. Bang a them hope ya, rich no Nokia. Rich no Nokia. Rich no Nokia. Rich no Nokia.
Yo, this bad. This bad, G. Head concussion, big up yourself. Yo, this bad dog. Yo, the man actually Chap Russian dog and tell his button cartel on the phone. Yo, creative, you fuck. Yo, very creative, very creative. Enjoy that one, bro. Enjoy that one. So it's cause this rhythm since it came back, I just be a girl song about it. So it's good for hear something else different from a girl song. Yo, this bad. Go up, big up your fucking self, dog. Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself, my fam. You never seems to amaze, bro. Big up yourself. Yo, God, are you back? Are you back like you never left? Yo, this a be joke. Yo, the creativity, man, bro. Yo, if you want to see more reaction, look at the screen now. Yo. Yo, this shit, man, bro. Look more, yeah. Come on. Yo, look.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.